I can't feel my cheeks. I look like this because I shoveled outside because there's a blizzard right now and it's really bad. So I thought, why not show you guys what's really like to live in Canada during the winter time. I'm actually very tired. I'm a little lightheaded because I've been shoveling for quite some time. We're just trying to get the cars out because my brother got stuck and I need to get the truck out, otherwise I would get stuck. Okay, so I shoveled the ones like the one over there by the street, like that little pile right there. I shoveled that part, and then the guy, our neighbor, he shoveled our driveway, and then my mom was kind of helping him. But yeah, I'm planning to go out there in a little bit. I'm just really cold right now. Look at my gloves. Turning it to 4x4 so I don't slip outside. Let's go hit the road. Freaking So I made it to my destination, but everyone, including me, were driving below the speed limit. Everyone was just slipping around and all that. But honestly, I hate this weather. I hate snow in general. If it's like snowing but it's not too cold, then I don't really care. Okay, so I was in practice earlier, and now me and Wamek are gonna get some groceries. But I'm at Tim's right now grabbing some drinks. Can I get a medium steep tea double-double?
Okay, yeah.
And then can I just get a medium coffee double-double? We need some hot drinks because it's cold outside. And this guy is not wearing a jacket. So yeah, we're gonna grab groceries. I need to grab some stuff because I'm leaving tomorrow for the girls' provincials. And that vlog might be up before this one. I don't really know. Yeah. Can I get some sleeves too? Thank you so much. Have a good one. So I'm gonna grab some groceries for myself as well, but I'm not gonna film that because you guys are probably tired of us just doing grocery shopping. Hello, sir. What do you think about this weather? You're not wearing a jacket.
Why am I not wearing a jacket?
He wants to show his stick, even though he's really cold right now. Here, wanna grab it? Your steep tea with the new Tim Hortons cup. He'll advertise it for you guys.
They're not paying me. What's up? I've been in the vlog in like 3 weeks. I'm back. Or 3 vlogs, not 3 weeks. I'm back.
We're always at a grocery store.
When we're vlogging together. It's fun. I love running errands.
Did you get 3?
I don't know. I'm not eating it. You are.
Okay. Sorry, take a selfie.
No, what's the angle? Have y'all heard of QP Mayo?
QP Mayo.
Ah, got that. Ooh, bad joke. Alright, where's QP Mayo? Guys, I found the QP Mayo. I thought it was spelled with a Q. Heard QP Mayo's fire though.
He's leaving me to go to the washroom. Okay guys, does he not look like this guy?
That's not the photo.
This one.
No.
No, but like when I saw it, I was like, oh, it looks like.
That's me. That's me right there, guys. I'm broke. Spider-Man, but. Come on, truck.
Oh, is it going down? Oh. So we're here at the gym. I'm gonna film a little bit of my workout and a little bit of Wamek's workout just for you guys to see what we do. I don't think he's here yet. I don't know, but I'm just gonna go in and start. Look at the trees. they're pretty, but the weather itself is not pretty. He's finally here. What are you doing? Huh?
Everything. 3 times a week.
3 times a week of everything.
Make it awkward? Huh? Should I make it awkward?
No, it's just...
That's it. That's 5. Hey, me and my best friend.
Finally wore a jacket, guys.
Look at the mustache coming in. Oh, weave. Shout out Sharir. Shout out Pradeep. Shout out Refatass. Shout out Hamad. Shout out Blueberry.
What?
The lighting is horrible though.
This is ice skating rink. Ice skating. But I can't skate because my leg's broken. That's so sad. So I'm home. I showered. My hair is still wet. But I'm literally just gonna end my night just packing because I'm gonna leave this weekend. Okay, I'm really cold, so I threw on a hoodie. But I'm gonna show you guys the snacks that I got. I got 3 of these Starbucks Frappuccino drinks. So I got 2 vanilla, and then I got 1 caramel. I got some Pringles, some Yan Yan, Hello Panda coffee, all my Asian chocolates. And then I got some cashews. That's pretty much it. And I think I'm just gonna put these on my backpack. And I already laid out some of the things that I'm gonna bring for tomorrow. So these are the things that I'm gonna be bringing. It's not a lot, but I'm gonna put them in a suitcase. It's just convenient so I can put more stuff. And that my backpack isn't too heavy because I'm gonna bring my computer, my iPad, some chargers, camera stuff and all that. Because I'm gonna be vlogging there.